G'day, I'm Adrian from Using Technology Better. The great thing about a Surface is that it's a laptop, but it's also a tablet. Now when those two worlds collide, I can do amazing things. In the past, if I wanted to create a worksheet, say in Word, I'd take a photo of a chart or a graph and drop it on the page. But now I can use OneNote, I can use my pen to digital ink, and I can use my Word document and combine all of them together to be able to create a great document. So let me have a look. I've got my Word document here, and now I'm going to go and open up OneNote by converting this to tablet mode and then creating my chart. So what I'm going to do is come into OneNote again, open up a new blank page inside OneNote where I'm going to write a formula. And that's the one that I want to drop in there and draw a chart off it. So if I come to my Draw tab, let's just do a simple 2x squared plus 4 equals y. I come into here, I lasso and circle it, come to my maths tool, fix up my formula because being a teacher, especially being a maths teacher, my handwriting is always a bit shocking. So let's just select this bit here, fix it up, and it tells me straight away that that's what it is. Go done, I'm quite happy with that. Select an action, graph in 2D, that looks pretty cool to me. Go insert on page, then come across to it, and what we're going to do is just highlight it, and then we can just click on it and go copy. Then let's go back to my Word document, select the area that I want it to go to, go Control and B for paste, and now there I have set into my Word document a chart that I drew by hand in another program, all on a tablet, all on my Surface. Now I don't know about you, but that seamless integration makes my life so much easier.